Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would be able to get inside your vehicle. Say your battery's dead, your key fob battery is dead, and how you would start it with your key fob battery dead. So to start with, or this also applies if your engine battery is dead, your regular 12-volt battery, you'll use this concept to be able to get inside the vehicle, then to be able to pop the hood so that you can jump start your vehicle. So to start with, we have our key fob right here, and this has a little lever right here that we can pull and be able to pull the key out. We have a metal key. You're used to hitting the key fob unlock button and it doesn't work because either this is dead or the engine battery is dead. So you'd put the key in, insert it, and be able to turn the door lock like a regular lock to unlock the door. Then once the door is unlocked, then you'll be able to get inside and either pop the hood to be able to jump start, or if the key fob is dead, there's a process that you need to go through to be able to start your car. So to start the vehicle, just like you would normally would, you push the button here, right? Where we'd push the brake and press the button. And it's going to tell us that the key is not detected, right? Because the key battery is dead. So what you need to do is you need to take your key fob itself and hold it to the button and then push the button. And that is how you would be able to start your car if your key fob battery is dead. Then you would just go ahead and get a new battery to replace in your key fob, and then everything will work like it did normally, where you would just hit the brake and then hit the run on the key fob. So that's how you would start your 2016 Dodge Journey if the key fob battery is dead. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.